Hello friends and welcome to Lok Satta Yashasvi Bhava, a video lesson that will certainly help you to excel in your subject. Friends, in previous section we have already studied about unit 2. Today we are going to have a discussion on unit number 3, that is adventure and sports. As you know that we are not taking poem into this consideration, we will only focus on the 3 lessons. Lesson 1, From Sir with Love. Lesson 2, Prodigy Circus, and third one, To the Rescue. Now let us try to understand with these short bullets how to remember the lesson. It's very simple. This bullet is going to help you to excel yourself, and not only that but also to remember the whole lesson with the help of this bullet. The first one is that the first para, this is very interesting lesson and it is related with the adventure. In this lesson is specially divided into 2 groups. And the first group tells us the reminiscence of his sir, that is Captain Ghai. Captain Ghai tells his experience about the Raymond chairman Mr. Singhania. He was 67-year-old when he has created his record, and the record is that flying in a hot air balloon from sea level to 69,852 feet above in the sky, and this record he has made. And when he made this record, his sir, that is Captain Ghai, tells something about him. Captain Ghai met him for the first time in the 1960s, and as he was a child from a very reputed family, that is JK family, so everybody had a very good corner for him, and he was the child from a very rich family, therefore everybody treated him with consideration and everybody treated him with the kids clothes. So this is very important. But even though he belonged to a very rich family, he was a very keen learner. He learned his solo flight, how to fly an aeroplane within a record time, and that shows that his keenness for learning something. Along with that, even when he successfully flight his aeroplane, then he touched the instructor's feet. That is very important. The being the member of a very rich family, but still he has some sensitivity of touching the feet of his sir. So this is the first topic that we covered. The second topic tells us about how this record was made. These bullets are going to help you. Initially it says that J.R.D. Tata and Vijaypad Singhania both had a feeling for flight and heights. This is very important. These are the 2 very celebrated names, especially in our country, but still they have a great love for flight and height. He has performed a new record. He has made a new record of flying in a hot air balloon for 69,852 feet from the sea level. The old record was 64,997. And how this record was made, that is elaborately given in this lesson. So these points are going to help you to understand the lesson in short. Okay. The next lesson is Prodigy Circus. Prodigy means the intelligent, and the presentation of intelligence of a child. This is specially considered at how the children are treated. This is being very beautifully presented in this lesson. Here the first para tells about Abhishek in his balcony. 8 boys are playing cricket down there, and Suresh, one of the boys, reeling off the rules, and Chandra interrupts. Then Abhishek is there on the balcony. He is little bit tense because he is afraid of his father. He may feel that my father will come and he may shout on me, so he is little bit tense. Then he waves back to his friends and just tell them that I will participate in the game by watching you only. But suddenly somehow his father enters into the scene, and Abhishek was unable to speak even a single word. He felt gulp. Means his father started shouting on him that don't play cricket, only concentrate on your studies. So his childhood is killed. Then in the next para we have the father's statement, which is very important. Play is a waste of time. How it is waste of time? Father every now and then ask him to learn. Even a very critical thing is that at the lunch time of his school, he always used to go there and ask him to revise the morning lesson. Only 10 minutes are given to that child to finish off his tiffin, but that was not possible for a child. But because of the fear of his father, he could do this and he could revise all the lesson. Then sometime his father would snap him and give him lecture on concentration. Then only 2 months before the circus starts, what he asked that child, just go on reading at night time, because he firmly believed that revise, remember and read, this will give you the prestigious honor of prodigy. If you really want to be a prodigious child, then you must read, revise and remember. When in between the nights the child was unable to read, sometime he may feel dozy like this, so his father used to knuckle him, means press on his head, and then child used to get up, and then he asked him to go for the walking, then 10 minutes walk will give up his sleep. So these things are very important. A very strict, very stern father, and he is asking his child to learn and learn and learn. The next, circus. How it circus? This particular word circus was not liked by his father. Once a teacher used this word, so what was the reaction of the father? That father took out the Abhishek from that same school, because he did not like the word circus. Only one person can use this word, and that was nothing but Lakshmanan uncle. This fellow only can use this word because his father had a great regard from him. He regarded him very highly because he was an engineer. Lakshmana uncle tried to convince his father that the yesteryear's prodigies are living miserable lives due to high pressure, but still his father was not convinced, and he felt that I must make my child a prodigious child. Then about next passage tells us about his mother. His mother never consoled him, even though Abhi, after grueling schedules, she was only mute spectators. Then the circus started. They started with the younger ones. In that, Anush, he recited the Tamil calendar. Then series of girls and boys displayed the various skills. Now it was time for Abhishek, a star prodigy, and he started reciting Nobel laureates. And while reciting these, he displayed the Tamil and Sanskrit skill. So these are the bullets that will certainly help you to understand his lesson. Then Almanacs. Almanacs is a yearbook that is given to the judges so that they may check out whether whatever he is saying is correct or not. Then first he lists the winners of 100 meters, then Cricket World Cup. Even though some obscure and inconsequential questions are asked, but still Abhishek was confident enough to give the answer, and finally he was awarded as a prodigy child. When announcer asked him that what is your reaction for this, then Abhi got very emotional and he says that I do not want to be a prodigy child, I simply want to be an ordinary child. So we have already discussed 2 lessons. There is one more lesson, that is to the rescue, but as it is a discussion, I'll ask you to make such types of bullet by yourself so that you will get an idea how to make the bullets out of the passages. That's a simple thing. And one more thing, that as you are having in front of you the articles, so that will give you the clear idea how the paragraph is to be made and how the bullets are to be prepared from the paragraphs. Okay, now as we have discussed all this lesson, now let us try to understand what type of questions are asked, and let us have the attitude of exam. So here is one para. A specimen para is here. This para is taken from the previous question paper, very simple one. You can refer to the textbook, page number 89 and 90 and line number 92 to 114. 2 factual questions, then 1 complex factual questions, then grammar question 2, then vocabulary question and personal response question. Now first question, why was the chief guest given almanacs? As we have discussed in our video lesson, that these almanacs are given to see whether whatever he is reciting is accurate or not. Next, how did Abhishek start performing? So if you read the para, you can easily understand and try to find out the answer. Now next is, what items did Abhishek present before the audience? This is the particular paragraph where you can easily make out the list of the presentation that Abhishek has given, as we have already discussed in our video lesson also. C is related with the grammar question. This is rewriting the sentence using though. Now the sentence is, people ask about more matches but Abhishek did not falter. Now simply place this though here. People ask about more matches. Here, though people ask about more matches, remove this but, and instead of but you can place comma here. Abhishek did not falter. So this is the simple answer, and using though is very simpler in your grammar. Next is, mention any match in the World Cup and Abhishek will tell you the statistic using if. Again the same procedure. This if you just place in front of here if, and then you need a subject, then got the word you. If you mention any match in the World Cup, remove this and place the comma here, and Abhishek will tell you the statistic. So this is the simple way, and for this even you can refer to the textbook. These are given in your textbook. Now write from the passage the opposite of answered, different, wrong and loser. This you can refer and write down. And very simple personal response question: would you like to be prodigy? Support your answer. What do you think? Would you like to be a prodigy? I hope certainly yes, but may not be wanted that much pressure and tension. So with this we are completing this particular segment here, but I am sure that you might have enjoyed this. But still, if you have got any doubts or queries, you can log on to loksatta.com, or you can mail us on Yashasvi Bhava. We will sort out all your queries and difficulties. Thank you.